Hi, my name is Shubham Majumdar. I am from Mumbai. I am a MBA Tech Management student here. So I have about 5+ years of experience in various companies and industries. As a person, I'm kind of reserved. I would say I'm a very introverted person. I don't share a lot with people, but the people that I'm close to, I'm very talkative, and I form very strong bonds with my friends. And also, I would say I have a lot of leadership qualities in my personality. I have always been driven in terms of being a leader during my school days in UG, and now here also leading the CE team. That is also something that is in me. It comes inherent. My extracurricular, I would say that I'm really into two things, actually three, but the two main are sports and music. So in sports, I love football. Football is my passion. My team is Barca, Visca Barca. The second is music. Music that too not listening or something, but playing instruments. So throughout my life, I have played around 5 instruments. And the third is traveling. One of my aims in life is to solo travel around the world, experience all countries, all continents. I think that is one of my bucket lists. TAPMI has really put a different kind of a. I mean, this course is completely different from your normal MBA. The technology aspect is something that is really new and fresh in the industry, right? So in that aspect, I feel the courses are really at par with what somebody like me. I aspire to be in business with in terms of inculcating technology into business. So if I am aspiring to be that person, I really like the courses that they have set up here. I mean, in all aspects, yeah, TAPMI has been really supportive, I would say. An advice to give to my younger batch, I would say that it's a new course, it's an exciting course. This course will definitely help you land good placements in industry, I can guarantee it. And also it gives you an in-depth knowledge about how technology is used in business. Other courses don't have that. None of the MBA courses that I have at least seen have that, that niche, I would say, of technology. I think this course is really best fit for that.